Hello everyone, my name is Sam B and I'm here on holiday at the Butlin Resort in Skegness. It's my first time in 16 years that I've been on holiday with Butlins. My last one was back when I was 10 years old, back in October 2006. But yeah, I'm here at the Back to the 2000s weekend because I've eventually taken the confidence to do an adult weekend break at Butlins, since it's the only way I can holiday with Butlins on my own. And I'm at Pacific Wharf, and I'm at Breakwater Grove, and it's a standard bedroom. So it's just got a bedroom with a bathroom in it. This is my key card, and see there's a green light on there, so that will unlock the door. Yeah, seems like they've all got key cards now, Butlins. And I'll just show you around my room. So over here we've got two cupboards, and they've both got an iron and ironing board. So this is the left cupboard. I've got my black shoes there. I'm probably gonna wear that with my schoolboy costume. And there's the ironing board. And then over here we've got an iron, and I think there's a fuse box there, and don't know what that is up there. Yeah, it's some sort of fuse box. There's my suitcase just there. I've only just unpacked. In here's just the shower room. So it's quite tiny. Not as tiny as the shower room that I had at the Welcome Holiday Flats in Skegness that I had back in December. But yeah, you got a shower there, and it's just my shower puff there. I had nowhere to hang it. And then sink. There's a little bin there. There's a toilet. Some toilet roll there. And there's all my toiletries just there. And, yeah, it's a shaver. And as you can see in the sink, Butlins do provide a hand soap, which is good. And also they provide a bath mat as well, with a line to hang your clothes. Shower cord just there. And then over here is the room. It's got another bin there, just hanging my coat and scarf there. And this is the double bed. And you've got a couple of wall lights there. Got a wardrobe. So that's all my stuff. Got my clothes there. And got some more clothes there that I can hang. And these are my costumes that I've took with me. So I've got the schoolboy costume, which I got for my 27th birthday. And I've got the Star Trek Voyager costume as an operations officer. And there's my GoPro there, so I can film on the fairground rides, which I'm probably going to do tomorrow. And then over here is the desk. So you got, as you can see, Butlins do seem to provide tea and coffee. There's a kettle there. And I've got my old speckled hen beer, which I got for my birthday. And I've got my Quality Street Mint Matchmakers with me. I won that as a raffle prize on Tuesday. Got another cupboard there. Got a couple of desk cupboards there. There's my extension lead as well, because there's no sockets near the desk cupboards, so that comes in handy. It's my bag there, and it's my slippers under there. And then got a TV with a chair, and then there's the curtains and the window, so you can look out to my accommodation. Well, looking out from my accommodation to all the others. And yeah, there's a TV in the corner, and that's just one of those beach pictures. What if it is at Skegness? And yeah, I've got my little welcome pack just there with all my holiday stuff. including a spare key card. I got my portable DVD player under there with my DVDs, and there's a drawer there as well. I've just pretty much put my debit card and my cash there because Wendy did advise me to only carry what I need in cash, since this is an adult only break and things can get a little bit rough sometimes. Yeah, there's a chair below the desk, and there's my laptop there as well. I was hoping to get some Wi-Fi around here, but I think I'm having a little bit of trouble at the minute. And if I could connect to the Wi-Fi, I could probably connect my laptop to my TV and watch a few films on Disney Plus when I settle down for the night after I've watched the evening entertainment. Oh, and got a little bit of got a little radiator there, electric heater. And I think I've just about shown everything there is around the standard room at Butlin's. I'm at the Skegness Resort, and I'll just take you back outside to give you the exterior view of my room. So this is what a standard room looks like at Butlin's at Skegness. Hope you've all enjoyed my video, and I'll see you all later. Bye for now.